Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a older Baratza Forte with us in the shop. And I came in because the customer had brought it in and said that the machine was not grinding anymore, which when we went in there and opened, it was very much clogged with coffee. And what pretty much all we did was clean out the whole chamber, which is all inside of here under this hopper, replace both of the Baratza burst sets with steel ones, and then clean the chute that goes into your container here. And yeah, now we have it running. So I'm gonna grind 15 grams. Now I didn't fully calibrate it. I kind of calibrated the grinder a little bit. We still have oils in the hopper, so the only thing we did not do is try to take all the oils out of the hopper, so you might have beans that stick every now and then. And so the way you would do that is by using some sort of coffee cleaner product and then soaking the entire hopper, but sometimes it really discolors the hopper, so we tend not to do that, but it grinds well. If we take it out here, this is more so a espresso grind. As you can see here, if I were to squish it down, as you can see, nice and powdery. And yeah, that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other videos on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.